Welcome back to Jyoti Hydroponics. Let's get started to get better at farming. This session is part 5 of tomato farming. Here we will discuss about the optimal growth conditions for tomato seedlings, that is comprehensive management of tomato seedlings, which includes integrating humidity, substrate moisture and pest fungus virus control. Cultivating robust tomato seedlings requires a holistic approach that goes beyond environmental factors. This session expands on the optimal growth conditions for tomato seedlings by incorporating essential strategies for pest, fungus, and virus issue management, alongside humidity and substrate moisture control as well. Humidity management, that is, by creating an environment conducive to healthy tomato seedling development, involves careful humidity regulation at different growth stages, such as during germination, maintain high humidity, that is 70 to 80% during germination, using a seedling tray with a translucent cover that we had already discussed in our part 2 session. Monitor closely to prevent fungal issues and ensure proper ventilation to deter damping off. Gradually reduce humidity levels to 50 to 60% to encourage sturdier stem development. Introduce good air circulation to prevent fungal diseases. Keep humidity around 50 to 60% to support foliage development. Regularly inspect for sign of excessive moisture, adjusting ventilation as needed. Substrate moisture management, that is, balancing substrate moisture, is critical for preventing diseases and ensuring optimal nutrient delivery. Use a well-draining potting mix to prevent waterlogging and enhance aeration. Choose a mix with disease-resistant properties. Employ a bottom watering method to avoid wetting foliage and reduce the risk of fungal diseases. Water consistently, adjusting the frequency based on substrate moisture level. Regularly check moisture levels using meter or manual assessment. Conserving moisture and creating a protective barrier against soil-borne pathogens by using coco peat substrate with perlite and vermiculite added to it. Now, pest, fungus and virus issue management with proactive measures that are crucial to safeguard tomato seedlings from pest, fungi and viruses. Implement integrated pest management strategies including beneficial insects, neem oil or insecticidal soaps. Regularly inspect for pests like aphids, whiteflies or spider mites. Apply organic fungicides preventively, especially during high humidity periods as a precaution. Ensure proper air circulation and spacing to minimize conditions favorable for fungal growth. Start with disease-resistant tomato varieties. Practice good hygiene including sterilizing tools and containers. Isolate infected plants promptly to prevent the spread of viruses. Regularly scout for any sign of pest infestation, fungal growth or virus symptoms. Promptly treat identified issues with appropriate organic or chemical solutions. Therefore, if we go ahead and have precautions from the starting stage of the seed germination, the chances of getting infested seedling is negligible. To conclude, integrating humidity, substrate moisture, and comprehensive pest, fungus, virus management establishes a robust framework for cultivating healthy and resilient tomato seedlings. Regular vigilance, timely interventions, and adherence to basic practice contribute to successful seedling growth. setting the stage for a productive and disease resistant harvest. We have also come up with full training course on hydroponics with the name Hydroponics Complete Training, Foundations of Soilless Agriculture. And then accordingly, after you have the knowledge about hydroponics in and out, then go with nutrient recipe trainings as per the crop you want to grow. Because each and every crop has its own nutrient recipe for roots and for shoots as a foliar spray. We have mentioned all the schedule as per the crop from first day to last day of harvest, which includes all fertigation, foliar spray of nutrients, pesticides, fungicides, bactericides, and weedicides. We will end the session here. See you in the next session. Till then, happy farming and have a nice day.